Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany and I love everything planner related, so I hope that you'll stick around and consider subscribing for weekly videos. But for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Pleasantly Planned order, and if you follow me on Instagram, then you already know that I am obsessed with her floral stickers. I've been using them so much, and so I am happy to report that I now have a coupon code for you guys, so you guys can save 15% off of your order, and that code is Stephany15, and that code will save you 15% off of your $25 or more purchase, and I will have all of that linked down in the description box below, so you guys can check her out. I am just really in love with her stickers, so I did want to show you what I got this time around. So let me go ahead and just get my invoice out of here, and let's check out her stickers. So I did, let's see, have a little note here, and so she had already sent me some of her new releases from this past release, and so I went ahead and placed another order just to kind of get a little bit more of her stickers. And so this is the order that I placed. Let me just go ahead and show you, because even though she does send me her stickers for free to review and share with you guys, I do still want to support her shop and place my own order. So let's see, we do have two sizes here. She offers them in a large and in a small. So let's check out these smaller stickers. Okay, there we go. So we have Winter Beauty, and as you can see, these are paper stickers. And then we have Flourishing, such beautiful colors. And then we have Tenacious Pink, and this one is in the clear. So I don't know if you could see the difference. You could kind of see how that's see-through, and you could see the ones at the bottom. And so these are not. And then these are Merry Christmas, and I loved these ones. I think I used them in my monthly spread in my Go Get a Girl planner, and they're just so beautiful. So I went ahead and grabbed these little ones, and I just love them so much. And then look at these bigger sticker sheets. Like, this is the difference. Like, look at the difference. Let me see. Let's go ahead and grab Winter Beauty so you can see. So the small flowers and then the bigger flowers. With these small flowers, I like to use them in my day designer. I think they're the perfect size. They look so beautiful. And then with these bigger sheets, I like to use these in my Go Get a Girl planner, because it's just a bigger planner and I need to fill up the space even more. So I love using the large ones in a larger planner, and then these ones in the smaller ones. So we have clear Winter Beauty. So I went ahead and grabbed two of these ones, and then we have Merry Christmas, and I went ahead and grabbed both two of these, and then Winter Woodland. So I already used this one in my day designer in the smaller version, and I loved it, so I can't wait to use this one in my Go Get a Girl planner. And then we have Flourishing, so very pretty. And with this size, I went ahead and grabbed them in the clear, and I love these ones. They're just so beautiful. The Tenacious Pink, I just love pink, and these really caught my eye right away. So this is actually from her past release that I went ahead and purchased. And then let me go ahead and show you her new release. They are just so pretty, and look at her. Enjoy these new releases, Casey. Such a sweet little note. And then I actually also got a thank you card from her. So it's this little thank you card. Just thank you for supporting my small business. And then it just says, thank you so much, Stephany. So super thankful for her little notes that she leaves. I am beyond grateful. So let's check out her current release. So like I said, I will leave her shop and my coupon code linked down below, so you guys can check her out, because oh my gosh, if I could use these every single week, I really would, because they're just so pretty. And like I said, I love using both of her sizes. So let's check these out. So we have Snowy Day, which has those beautiful pinks, purples, blues, grays, just very, very pretty color palette. And this one is in the clear. And then we have Captivating. Have a little thing right there, but look at how beautiful these blue ones are. They're just so gorgeous, like a blue wintry type of vibe in your spread. And then look at this, baby, it's cold outside, so that would just pair really well. The blue is much darker here, but I love the clusters in this one. And then we have Thoughtful, so it's like purples and blues. And actually, I don't know if you could see these ones just because they were on top of each other, so let me go ahead and go through them again. Very, very beautiful. So we have Winter Blooms as well. So very, very pretty. I love her new release. I mean, I love all of her releases. They're just so pretty. So with the bigger sheets, we have Snowy Day. Very, very pretty. I love that she offers both sizes and different sticker paper as well. So here's Captivating. Here is Baby, It's Cold Outside. So pretty. And so we have Thoughtful and Winter Blooms. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to use all of these. They're just so pretty. And like I said, I will be placing another order just because I still want to support her shop, even though she does send me these to share with you guys. And I'm just so happy to be able to support. So make sure that you guys check her out. I love her new release, her past release. Everything is available on her shop, which is going to be linked down in the description box below. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans. And I'll see you next time.